How to set up your Samsung phone to quickly start voice recording with one touch. So here you can see I can simply just tap on it once to start the voice recording. If I tap on the stop button, it will immediately stop. So tap on it to start voice recording and tap on it to stop the voice recording. So to do this, what you need to do is first go to your home screen and then touch and hold. Next, tap on wallpaper and style. Here, tap on the left hand side, which is the lock screen panel. Next, tap on the add widget, or you can remove the existing widget to make space for the new widget. From here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on voice recorder, and then choose if you want to use a small widget size or a large widget size. The larger widget size will also display the time. And here is the smaller one. After that, tap on done, then tap on the home button. And whenever you need to quickly start the voice recording, just go to your lock screen and tap on it to start the voice recording. Very convenient and allowing you to quickly access voice recording with a single tap. Thank you for watching this video.